mabuhay. Guys, that is Laarni Lazada from Pinoy Dream Academy. Siya na guys. After aning a performance ni Laarni Lazada, musunod na si Paps Fernandez and Martin Rivera. Guys, naku karon din sa SMX Convention Center, Davao City. I'm going to watch sa concert ni Martin Rivera, the title Always and Forever. Congratulations to Martin and Paps. Sold out ka ng ticket guys. Daming tao sa SMX Convention Center. That is Laarni Lazada. Ganda ng boses ni Laarni. Actually, si Laarni guys from Sultan Kudarat. Wow, ganda ng boses niya. Gwapo boses ni Laarni guys. Ganda. Nakaka-impress.